Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of a voting app named Poll Show. This is a web application and can also be accessed on your mobile phone. Let's go to the landing page using the URL which will be provided to you. I have used GitHub pages to host my application. Backend is using Google Firebase. I'm using Firebase authentication and Firebase database to store the user votes. The front end is developed using Bootstrap and jQuery. In the app, you can see the title of the poll is mentioned over here. So this title can be customized using the Firebase database. There is also another helper text that will help you understand until what time the poll will be open. Now let's log in. So to log in, you have to enter your mobile number or cell number. I have one which I have already used, so it is showing me as a suggestion. Once you enter your phone number, you need to hit request one-time passcode. So now this is going to use the Firebase authentication process and it will send you a passcode. I'm still waiting for the passcode. Okay, I have received one. So let me enter that passcode. So once you sign in, you will see the list of poll entries. Now you can move the entry that you like, or in this case the lightning talk that you would like, to the top. Because this is a sample survey, I have used the various car brands as poll entries. So let me pull this Audi to the top. So now this will be saved as my vote for the car brand. Let me try one more. So this animation will help you understand which is the entry that you have voted. Whenever you change any of the entries over here, it will be reflected in the database immediately. So you can keep doing this until this timestamp which is displayed at the top. So let me go to the Firebase console and invalidate this poll so that I can show you how to view the results. Okay, I have refreshed the database. Now let me refresh the landing page, which you would also need to do if you want to basically look at the results. Now you can see, because the poll has been marked invalidated because it got over on August 9th at 6 p.m. It is no more asking you for your phone number, or you won't be able to log into the poll. So let me check out the winner. So I have some mock data wherein I have given 2 votes to Audi, and that is what it is displaying right now. There are other features as well which I plan to add, which are not complete yet, but I will be completing them soon. So this is a screen wherein you can add a new lightning talk. So similarly, I would like to create a page wherein you can create a poll and add whatever entries you would like to. Thank you for watching the demo.